What is going on, YouTube? Bringing you a quick video. Today we drove out to Little River Canyon, I'm sorry. We wanted to check out this canyon here in Alabama. Somebody told us there's some cool little Jeep trails out here, so here we are. And looks like they've got a trail. We're about to go in the trail, just getting a permit real quick and paying so we can be in here. And hopefully you guys enjoy. We'll try to capture some cool stuff, cross over the river. And Jeep's really clean, but hopefully we'll get some mud on it, so let's go. Dude, you can camp out here, man. I don't know if this spot you can. It says no, I think, but you can definitely camp. We need to do this, man.
In fact, you should like overnight. So.
Yeah. Pretty cool. When Matt gets his rig ready, we'll do it. Because Matt wants to go do it too. Alright, there's a place where you're from. I don't know where you're definitely not here. Yeah. So familiar. There's one tiny little river crossing right here.
This is it.
This is it. Normally this is all dried up too. Look how clear. I don't know if the camera will be able to capture that, but it is super clear.
Very.
So rocky over here. Oh, look how clear that is. Must be because either a lot of people aren't driving through here, or this is really clean water wherever it's coming. I'm gonna try to stay in the middle. I really don't want to get stuck out here. Oof. 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 See, that doesn't look like it would be that freaking deep of a hole. Pretty wild. Oh, nice little ruddy over here. This one out here. Watch your heads. Oh my gosh. This is a lot worse than it looks. I don't know if the camera is gonna capture this, but this is wild, man. They'll never do it justice, I swear. Like, they never do it justice. But here we are. We're enjoying it. Wow. Maybe I should have done the disconnect. Now I'm like, now it'll be hard because you have to be a little mild area. There's definitely a bigger one that I've seen in the videos. But this is pretty nice.
Take a picture of it.
Yeah. This is where a front camera would be nice.
bucket hat here.
Yeah, that's where I want to go. You see that right there? Here it is. Yeah.
Yahoo!
How deep it is right now.
Pretty deep. Pretty deep, so.
Make sure we don't go in a damn ditch. That's crazy, yo. Wow, it's deep right now, too.
Oh,
Wow, that is pretty wild. just went right through that river crossing, and it was pretty deep today. And as you guys know, we don't have a snorkel on this thing. So it was a little nerve-wracking. I think we were well below the 30-something inches, but because it rained the last couple of days, I think that definitely played a factor on how deep the water was. So we went through it twice. We got some drone footage, and I did crash the drone, unfortunately. It's one of those things where you shouldn't be lazy and try to drive it from within the Jeep. My son's driving the Jeep right now. But I tried and I couldn't see one of the branches. Luckily, it still flew again. Just broke a couple of blades and cracked the little case a little bit, but not a big deal. We put new blades on there. Luckily, I carry some spares on there. First time I've ever had to use them in like 5 years. So there's always a first for everything. But that was pretty wild. I was not expecting the river to be that deep. Sorry, CB radio's going off. Every video that I've watched on YouTube for Little River Canyon here in Alabama, it was pretty dry because I think most of that footage is about a year old, maybe 2 years old. So a lot of it, the river was dried. You could drive right through it. A car could drive right through it. But I would say you'll see in some of the footage that it was pretty deep today. So I hope you enjoyed it, and we're gonna keep exploring out here. So